Hey YouTube land, my head is squished down here because I'm trying to fit into this frame. What is this frame here? Because today it is snow on the ground and we are reviewing this tracked vehicle. Yeah, I know it's not a drone. I know, but it's winter time and I kind of like RC cars. The price for this tracked RC vehicle is like, I think it's under $60 US, which is really good deal. Check this out. Gull-wing doors, you can close them here. It has suspension, it's got metal parts, it's supposed to have metal gears from what I read on the instructions. Comes with a battery. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna take it out in my backyard here and drive it around in the snow. Let's check this out. All right, so take a look at my backyard. I've been driving it everywhere. Everywhere you look, there's trails. This thing's a blast to drive out in the snow. So you can drive it really slow, like this. You can do like a crawler mode to go over things, or you can speed it up. Steering's really good. You can spin around 360, or you can keep it in place and spin it. There you go. So this thing has no problem going over most objects. Now it doesn't have knobby treads, which means it's not going to grip like slippery rocks or slippery surfaces, but look at the snow, it's doing quite well. So it's not bad. You get 20 minutes of battery time. With the included battery, you can put a bigger battery if you want to go much longer. Squish my head in here. So that ends my review of this here really cool crawler. This is available on the TomTop website. And like I said, I'm pretty sure I saw the price under $60 US, so it's a steal of a deal. It's a really good RC car. A lot of fun to have. Anyways, great Christmas gift. I'm going to end this video now. See you later, crawler. All right, guys, take care. Watch the unboxing. Catch you in the next one with more reviews, drones, whatever. Take care. And now a quick unboxing of this really cool track vehicle. Pull the top off, and what do we have inside? First up, we have instructions. Next, let's see if I can yank this whole track vehicle out of the box. Pull this out of the protective plastic. Wow, does this ever look cool? And it's got some weight to it. It feels like it's pretty solid and well made. Look at the detail on that. Hey, I'm kind of impressed already. Check out the gearing system on the side, and there's shocks. There's a shock system. That's pretty sweet. Check out the bottom. So the bottom is where you're going to put your battery. Open the battery door, and there's our battery. Wow, there we go. So it's a 1200 milliamp battery, 7.4 volts, which means look at the size of the cavity. You can put a much larger battery in there if you wish. Also on the bottom, you have your on-off switch. Going to the back, we see some nice detail on the back and a cardboard box here, which holds a few other things. Probably the battery charger would be my guess. Let's take this out. And that's what's left over right here. That is your battery charger. Looking at the top, very nice. Little bed here. Got a roll bar. Some nice little details. You have some LED lights here, and these doors look like from the box, yep, they do open. So if you have any small figurines, I don't have anything, but if you're one who collects small figurines, take a look inside. You actually have some instruments on the inside. Coming around, you can see the lights up top here. Next, let's take a look at the controller. The controller is pretty basic. You have your steering here, which is going to control the tracks, and no other buttons on here other than the on-off, and it does take 3 AA batteries, not included. Power this on and it will automatically connect. And that brings me to the end of my review. I've got this sitting on like a 60-degree incline. It's pretty sweet. I'm sure anybody who loves RC cars or tracked vehicles like tanks would love this thing. I think it's pretty sweet. You know, I'm an adult and I still think it's pretty cool. So I could just imagine if you had this for a kid or a teenager or anybody who just loves to collect these type of tracked vehicles. It's pretty sweet. All right, that brings me to the conclusion of my review. Check the links below for where you can find this. And thanks for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I'll catch you in the next video.